Hi everyone, I got a delicious recipe to show you. It's vegan, cauliflower, slightly spiced rice with a delicious topping. Let me show you the ingredients. Come down here. Right, what we've got here is we've got some cauliflower, we've got some coriander, we've got some red pepper, red onions, and in this one here I've got some paprika, I've got some turmeric, I've got some curry powder and some cumin, I've got some fresh ginger here, finely diced, and I got some coconut oil. And that is the ingredients that you need to make for the cauliflower rice. Then over here I've got my topping. Now for the topping, I've got some coconut desiccated toasted, I've got some nuts I've toasted, I've got some coffee in there, fine coffee grinds in there from a good quality coffee, and in here I got some chili flakes and some sugar. I've got some sesame seeds which are toasted as well, and I got some crispy onions. And that is all the ingredients you need to make this spectacular dish. So now I'm going to show you how to make it. Place the cauliflower and the coriander in a food processor and mix to a rice texture. Add the coconut oil in a pan and then add the red onions and the red peppers. Stir in the spices, cook for 2 minutes. Add the fresh ginger, cook for a minute more. Add the cauliflower rice and stir well and cook for 5 more minutes. Now make the topping. Add all of the ingredients for the topping into a food processor and mix to the desired consistency. Place the cauliflower rice into a bowl, a couple of spoonfuls, then add a generous topping of the sprinkles. The full recipe will be in the description below. Enjoy.